How to overcome measuring yourself with others. Feeling inspired by someone else's achievements can bring you motivation to improve your own life. But most of the time, comparisons are discouraging and leave you feeling miserable. So how can we overcome it? First, become aware and avoid your triggers. Is there a certain person that makes you feel inferior? Are there certain accounts you should avoid? Unfollow them. Even if that means you might potentially upset them. Your mental health is a priority and you have to put yourself first. Instead, fill your feed with positive people. Find inspiring landscapes, delicious food, and cute dogs to fill your Instagram feed. That might help you remember there's more to life than what you look like. Second, remind yourself that social media reality is not really reality. Unless you're really close to someone, you can't use their outward appearance to judge the reality of their life. People carefully create the social media versions of their lives. So remind yourself that you don't have a clue what goes on behind closed doors. Third, be grateful for the good in your life. Commit yourself to being grateful for what's good in your life and remind yourself of it daily, and you'll be far less vulnerable to comparison and envy. Focus on yourself and what you have instead of what you don't have. It'll make you more content and less tempted to compare. Fourth, use comparison as motivation. Who do you admire? Who inspires you to live a better life in the way that matters most? Use comparison to become a better person and see what you can improve in your own life. Fifth, remember it's about you, not them. It's usually that you're projecting the person has whatever it is you want. Whether that's confidence, beauty, money, or joy, you think the person has it and you want it. What makes you feel confident and radiant? This allows you to realize the fields of your life, and you need to work on how you can get better on this. Let go of their life and focus on yours.